My name is Sam. I'm a neuroscientist at the Florida Atlantic University Brain Institute, and today I'm going to be showing you the mini rope neuron activity. First, let's talk about this neuron. There's multiple components of a neuron. First, there's the cell body, which is this red ball, which has dendrites coming off in the yellow rope. Then it goes to the axon, which is this white rope, which has this piece of tubing that's going to represent the electricity of a neuron. This cup represents the axon terminal, which contains chemicals as we call neurotransmitters. Supplies that you're going to need for this activity, first is a wiffle ball. This is helpful because there's multiple holes which you can tie ropes to. You're going to need smaller, thinner ropes to represent the dendrites. You can add as many as you like, just make sure that they're able to be tied onto the ball. Then you'll have a larger rope, which will be your axon, which connects to the ball, aka the cell body. You'll need a piece of tubing, which will represent the electricity that travels down the axon. And at the end, you're going to need a paper cup, which you're going to have to punch a hole through to tie so it connects to the axon. And inside the cup are going to be your chemicals, or as we call neurotransmitters. If you're doing this activity by yourself, you will need a binder clip. To begin this activity, you're going to need a binder clip. This is going to hold the neuron on any countertop or desk near you, so that way you can work on the activity by yourself. So first, take some of the dendrites and clip them onto the countertop. This way, you are able to hold the mini rope neuron. So we have our neuron set up like this against the countertop because we're going to demonstrate how the signal goes through the neuron. The signal first is received at the dendrites. The dendrites goes all the way to the cell body, and at the cell body you have the electricity traveling along the axon. At the axon terminal, the signal is then converted into chemicals. Okay, let's demonstrate the activity. Imagine the signal's coming through the dendrites, received at the cell body, the signal goes down the axon, out comes the chemicals. Okay, that was pretty fun. Let's do it once more. Electricity traveling down the axon, out comes the neurotransmitters. That was fun, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video learning how to do the mini rope neuron tutorial. And just know, if you want to show your friends and family, they can participate by holding the dendrites. See you next time.